Wyoming, anyway, QRZ, Fox Mexico 5, Delta November.
I kind of feel bad doing this when he's calling for specific call areas, but he seems like a good sport. November 8, November Kilo, QRP. November 8, November Kilo, QRP. QSL, November 8, November Kilo, QRP.
Yeah, you say you QRP, November 8, November, 8 November Kilo, I'm sorry, QRP, 4x4, 44, QSL?
QSL, Roger, thank you very much. Thank you, sir. You are 5x9, a 5 and 9, 5 and 9 in the state of Michigan. In the state of Michigan, about an hour north of Detroit. My name is Chuck. Charlie Hotel Uniform Charlie Kilo. Over.
QSL, last transmission 5 and 5, last transmission 5 and 5. 18 November Kilo, stop QRP 5 and 5. And QSL 5 and 9. 73, thanks for the call. Good evening.
Thank you, 73 old man. Take care.
260 are off.
It worked. It worked. I knew he was sitting there listening. I knew it. And I worked him with a scab radiator on the Michigan Cacti. I realized my Michigan Cacti, it's an aluminum pole, right? Man, my pole's covered with scabs. Hey, Cal, our antennas are very similar. They're like twins, but one's pretty. One's a pretty boy, and one's the ugly. The the black sheep. Can I still say that these days? Jesus. Hey, Cal, is your pole covered with scabs like mine? That was fun, man. That was fun. Check it out, man. That's not bad, is it? On the 17-meter band, using a piece of garbage, using a pole that's bristling with scabs. Sounds disgusting. But what's disgusting is the price of the commercial counterparts. Isn't that right, Lizzie Fan 1986? You know I can't mention Cal without mentioning... I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. 73. Especially you, Cal. And you, Lizzie Fan 1986. You deserve better than this, man. Oh, man.